Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, we are going to draw this eye. We need some materials. I am using a 6B pencil, a 3B pencil, and a Tombow mono eraser and a kneadable eraser. First thing, you have to draw a circle, which I have drawn here. Then you have to draw a small circle, which is almost half of the first circle. Next, you have to draw a very small circle, almost half of this second circle, like I have drawn here, and rounding those edges. See, I am not using any reference here, but I am using my eye for reference, and I have a mirror in my setup. So I went to my mirror and see myself, then come back and drawing this eye. It might be look a little bit different than you are. Just you have to do observe your reference, and you don't have a reference, then observe the shape of an eye, watch your eye, then try to draw this. I am just erasing some of this extra portion which may confuse you. Then I am drawing this eyelid, eyebrows. Just you can see what is going on. I am just define the shape. Right now it is look like a children's sketchbook, that means child's drawing, but we are going to transform it into a human eye. Now I am started shading those parts. I am using this 3B pencil for first layer. And materials are not a necessary thing. You can use any material, and if you don't have any mono zero eraser, then you can use any kind of eraser and cut it into a small piece, then use it as a mono eraser. As you can see that I am using the same 3B pencil for the first layer and second layer of shading. For that white area, I leave some white space. For lighter area, I put little less pressure. For dark area, I put little bit more pressure. But now you can see this is very patchy kind of looking, and looking like very a beginner artist have done this. But trust me, it will look far better when you will complete. Now I am drawing these eyelashes, and eyelashes are pretty interesting. They are not in a straight line, they are not in a circular line, they are random curves. We have to obtain those curves and obtain those perfect shape of eyelashes. Now I am adding more layer around this eye with the 6B pencil. Here and there some adjustments. Now you can see. Ignore my hair. For drawing those eyebrows, I am drawing those hair. I am drawing some hairs. Then I am drawing this. This is the most important step of drawing eyebrows. You have to draw eyebrow hair first. Then you have to shade or blend all those hairs. Otherwise, your eyebrow will not look that realistic. It will look like a children's drawing or a black kind of thing. That will not preferable for, in any case, that will look very cartoony. Now we are talking about realism or achieving that perfect shape, so we are not talking about cartoonism. We have to do it. We have to draw eyebrow hairs first, then we have to blend. We have to little bit blend those hairs. Hope you can understand what is going on. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.